Hello, my name is Mike Estela. I'm an application engineer with Photron, and today I'm going to be talking about the PFV4 Mobile. PFV4 Mobile is an optional add-on for PFV4 that allows you to make remote adjustments for your camera from a supported mobile device. First, let's go over the requirements. PFV4 Mobile will require an install of PFV4. We recommend the latest version, which can always be downloaded for free at www.photron.com. PFV4 Mobile will also require a license loaded onto a serialized dongle. If you're interested in acquiring one of these licenses, please contact your local distributor. If you're unsure who your local distributor is, please contact us here at Photron and we can give you that information. PFV4 Mobile also requires iOS 13.3.1 or later in Safari web browser. And for this reason, we recommend Apple products. PFV4 Mobile has worked on Android and other devices, but it is not officially supported. We recommend a 9.7-inch display or more so you can see all of the features and make your adjustments. And it will also require a wireless network that all of your devices can connect to. To use PFV4 Mobile, open up your PFV4 software and go to the Live tab. Now, if you've installed your serialized dongle into a USB slot, you'll notice this add-on tab appears up here in the top menus. This tab normally doesn't appear and will only show up if you have that dongle installed and it has a license for PFV4 Mobile. Now let's click on PFV4 Mobile and a window will pop up, and there's two tabs we need to worry about. Communication settings is where you can adjust your port number, and you can adjust two options called skip and quality, and these will adjust the performance on your mobile device. Skip affects the amount of times that your mobile device updates. 0 will have it updating the most frequently, and as you increase this number, it will update less and less frequently. If you're noticing a lot of tearing or lag on your mobile device, you'll want to set this to a higher number. If your device is performing just fine, you can leave it at 0. Quality is the compression quality. If you want increased performance, you can select a lower quality. Otherwise, you can just leave it at the default value. When we've adjusted those settings to our liking, we can go to the QR code, and in this tab, we'll select our network's IP address that we're going to connect to. And once we've selected that, we can click Start Server. When we've done that, you'll notice a QR code appears here. Now what you do is you take your mobile device and you open up your camera and you scan this QR code. Alright, I'm on my mobile device with my camera open and I've scanned the QR code. And my Safari browser is opening and I'm on the live screen of PFV4. Now over on the left we have our camera selector where we can select between all the active cameras. I'm currently connected to a Nova S16 and a Mini AX200, and you'll see me go between both cameras. Now the Nova S16 is my primary camera of focus, and over on the right I can open up my camera controls. And here's where you can change things like frame rate, shutter speed, resolution. You can perform a shading calibration and do things like turn on low light mode and stop your fan if you need to. It's important to note you cannot start a recording in PFV4 Mobile. You can only make adjustments. And you'll see now I made a couple of adjustments and I performed a shading calibration. And at the top here I can show my info or take it away if I don't want to see it on my screen. And I can also add an alignment cursor locked to the center of my screen or take that away if I don't want to see it. So now I'll go over here on the left and I'll make the Mini AX200 my primary camera of focus. And over on the right I can open it back up and make any sort of adjustments that I want to, same as with the Nova. And I'll close that. And at the top we can use the Focus Assistance tool, and you can use this to adjust the focus on your cameras. And you'll see my camera coming into focus now. The tool has indicated, and we'll hit OK, and we'll turn the tool off, and we've got a nice in-focus image. We can also make LUT adjustments at the top here where you can adjust your gain, your gamma, your contrast, and your brightness. So you can manipulate these, and if you want to, you can reset them back to the default values, or if you're happy, you can apply those, and that will apply to your image. And for ease of access with PFV4 Mobile, you can create a desktop shortcut. Just add that to the home screen, and as long as your network settings are the same, you can quickly connect to it. This concludes our demonstration of the PFV4 Mobile. I hope you found this tech tip helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Photron. Thank you.